You can easily replace an existing light fixture with a ceiling fan or heavier light fixture. Here's another innovation from Hubbell Rayco, a retrofit kit that lets you install a ceiling fan up to 70 pounds or a light fixture up to 80 pounds, all without making trips back and forth to the attic. Let's get started. Here's the first and most important step. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker or fuse box. Keep the power turned off during the entire installation. Now, using a stud finder, locate the center of the ceiling joists. Place the wire tray in between the joists. Find the knockout in the tray that aligns with your existing ceiling box opening. To mount the tray, begin by positioning it over the ceiling box opening and between the joists. Mark the location of the 4 holes where the tray will be fastened to the joist. Pre-drill 4 holes into the joists using a 1/8" drill bit. Remove that knockout and pass the wires from the box through it. If the existing wires aren't long enough, add a pigtail and screw the tray into place. Pull the wires and, if needed, slide them through the hook provided on the tray. Secure the wire cover over the tray by sliding the keyholes over the screws. Tighten the screws. Pull wires through the wire tray. To install the medallion, identify the 2 holes in the medallion and align them with the 2 holes on the wire cover. The magnets will hold the medallion in place while you install the ceiling fan or fixture bracket. Pull the wires through the medallion. Now you can install the fan or light fixture as you normally would, following the manufacturer's installation instructions. The ceiling fan retro kit is available in 2 sizes: 298 WH16 for 16-inch joist widths and 298 WH24 for 24-inch joist widths. And of course, the Hubbell Rayco Ceiling Fan Retro Kit meets all 2020 National Electric Code (NEC) requirements for mounting ceiling fans, so you stay safe and secure. Look to Rayco for this and other high-quality products. We've been your source for electrical boxes, covers, and connectors for over 100 years.